Okay, I have a note here. The Quran does not say that Adam was created first. Please explain. Now, many things in the Quran were not directly said as such, but there are many clear references in the Quran that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Adam from the elements of earth and then asked the angels to prostrate. And here, since I mentioned it, some people confuse it and they say, you know, angels prostrated to Adam. Do they worship Adam? No. This is the prostration of respect. Our prostration is prostration of ibadah. There's a big difference. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asked the angels to prostrate to Adam. But then the reference is Adam and your zawj live in Jannah. وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء. The whole story in Surah Al-Baqarah. By the way, this story is mentioned in the Quran 7 times. The story of Adam is mentioned 7 times. And you see, this is the beauty of the Quran. Let's say we ask any writer to give us an account of a certain story. Prolific writer, very good writer. They will write it in their own style. Ask them, can you rewrite it in a different style? They will try, and maybe they will succeed to write it another time in a different style. But in a third, it's stretching it too much. So the Quran, you know, the story of Adam is mentioned 7 times, and every time you read it in the Quran, it's different. The same facts, but narrated, related in different ways. And in those accounts, there is clear evidence that Adam was created first. There is clear evidence that Adam was created first, and that the angels prostrated to Adam when he was alone.